21st of March 2023 in the Khasi daily Umaukor under the caption Jingshahdung Usamla Hatem Yo Maulong. Khasi youth stabbed at Them Yo Maulong. Mr. Speaker, sir, the incident that happened on the said date has once again raised the concern and fears of the people in the city. On the fateful Saturday evening, that is on the 18th March 2023, one Khasi youth named Hakibarjylla, 25 years old, was stabbed on his chest by 4 unknown miscreants while on his way to Maulai Nongdom from his workplace at Mau Shabut. And as per the FIR filed by the sister of the victim, Kong Prinsi Sothyang, it is mentioned that her brother, upon reaching Yo Maulong and while walking on foot, 4 miscreants had approached him and asked for a matchbox, which he responded by saying that he does not have. And then they asked for his mobile, which he again refused to entertain. Immediately thereafter, they attacked by stabbing him on his chest, which made him collapse and become unconscious. And after a few hours, some unknown persons had come to the rescue of the victim by taking him home. The victim, as per this news report, is still undergoing treatment. Sir, it is important to note that this incident is not a one-off incident. In fact, the area within the periphery of the incident has become a source of continual annoyance or trouble for commuters. That, in spite of the fact that the beat house is just a stone's throw.
Honorable member, please, this is a 0 hour. You cannot make a long speech. You have to just bring about
I was
point,
just
please.
want to make a brief elaboration.
This is a 0 hour. Members are not allowed to make a speech.
In spite of the fact that the beat house is just a stone's throw away, as well as the security forces deployed there after post 2018. Sir, Yo Maulong is not only the commercial heart, but it is the heart of the city. Therefore, it is imperative on the part of the minister concerned to ensure that the safety and security of the people commuting this particular area is maintained at all costs. So therefore, I will request the Honorable Minister in charge of Home to kindly take a serious note and necessary steps to ensure peace and security in this particular area. Thank you.
May I request the Minister to reply?
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House, Sri Brihtstar Marbaniang, MLA of Maulai constituency, for tabling this 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the news items, which appeared in the newspaper Maukor dated 21st March 2023 under the caption Jingshahdung Usamla Khasi Hatem Yo Maulong. Sir, on 19 March 2023 at around 6:30 a.m., the Police Assistant Booth, Civil Hospital Shillong, shared an information with East Khasi Police regarding a stabbing incident which had been reported. On receiving the information, the District Police immediately conducted a preliminary inquiry to ascertain the facts and circumstances. Sir, during the course of preliminary inquiry, the statement of victim, Sri Hakibarjylla Sothyang, aged 25, resident of Mau Tari Merdon Umsning, indicates that he was stabbed at approximately 3 a.m. on 19 March 2023 at Kandailat Police Bazaar by 4 unknown miscreants. Sir, again an FIR dated 20th March 2023 received from Srimati Prinsi Sothyang, sister of the victim at Sadar Police Station, has been registered as Sadar Police Station case number 58 in bracket 03/2023 under section 326/307/34 IPC. Sir, subsequent to the registration of the case, a thorough investigation has been initiated. However, it may be pointed out that the victim has been giving conflicting statements regarding the incident since the morning of the 19 March 2023. The investigation of the case reveals that the victim had forcibly boarded a private vehicle at Khandailat near the road leading to Hotel Picassos on 18 March 2023 at approximately 9:45 p.m. and requested help from the 4 occupants of the vehicle to help him recover his scooty that he claimed had met with an accident at Mauprem. However, on reaching Mauprem, the victim did not lead the occupants of the vehicle to the place of accident. Instead, informed them that he had been stopped and requested them to take him to his temporary residence at Maushbuj, which falls under Madanating police station. Sir, the occupants of the vehicle along with the victim arrived at Maushbuj at approximately 12:30 a.m. on the 19 March 2023 and handed over the victim to his relative. And sir, at around 3:59 a.m., one of the relatives informed EMRI about the matter and requested for an ambulance. The victim was immediately brought to civil hospital in an EMRI ambulance at approximately 5:30 a.m. by the relative. Sir, the victim was then referred to Negrims for further medical treatment and he was taken to Negrims under police escort. Sir, on the evening 21st March 2023, the victim stated before the investigating officer that he had actually been stopped by an unknown woman near Hotel Picassos, Khandailat, Police Bazaar, Shillong, and that he could identify the female assailant. Sir, as of now, the matter is under investigation and all efforts are being made to identify and nab the alleged female assailant. Sir, there are several reports which have been published regarding the incident which are not in consonance with the reports of the police, and as the investigation of the case is in progress, the facts about the case will be shared with all the stakeholders as and when the investigation discovers real cause of the incident. Sir, I also take this opportunity to appeal to all the concerned citizens to let the law take its own course and to refrain from circulating information which are not genuine, especially in social media. The police is doing its best to unearth the facts of the case and to deliver justice to the victim. With these few words, with this few submission and clarification, I resume my seat.
Thank you.